I was going to take a few pictures.
Hi there, my name's Mark, and I've got
Puppets and monkeys. That's right.
puppets and monkeys. Always works, always will. Puppets and monkeys.
Monkeys and puppets. Puppets and monkeys. This is a puppet. This is a monkey. But I'm saying puppets and monkeys. Monkeys and puppets. They're all one and the same. Together, one, they are together. They are fantastico. 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 Puppets and monkey.
I'm feeling. There we go.
There. There's a shrubbery here. Son of a bitch. I'll kill him!
Hey, I just want to take a picture of the kids out there.
Mint! Mint! Mint!
Son of a bitch. I'll kill him. Look at that. Dead on the floor. I'll kill you.
Mint!
I'll kill you, you bastard.
Mint!
With your own photograph, I'll kill you.
Mint! Mint! Mint!
Fuck. You nicked me twice with those, and it really hurts. You fucker.
With your own photograph, you bastard. I'll get you. Put on your fro and it wouldn't have hit you either time.
You're right.
You knew what you were doing and all.
my productive headgear.
Hello, are you a hick like me? Well, look, I'm a hick no more. That's right, with new hick no more. I blocked that one, man. You're not gonna stop me. You're not gonna stop me.
Yeah. Fucker.
That's right. You're not gonna stop me. Because I got on Guy Smiley. Guy Smiley. Yeah. Guy Smiley.
Yeah.
Guy Smiley. Yeah.
Glad Guy can make it to the son of a bitch puppet hour.
Guy Smiley.
Here we are, two son of a bitches. God damn. What the hell's wrong with you, son of a bitch?
Am I like really safer with this on?
I think you're Wally safer with that on. Backswing.
Oh, good thing you missed.
Yeah,
I'd have kicked your ass. Hey. Okay.
That's right, till I hit
Hey, listen, buddy. Okay, you got two choices. I see. You can either play with my puppet, or get cut. Play with my puppet, or get cut. I'll cut you. I'll cut you with a butter knife, buddy. Butter knife. You know how much that hurts? Being cut into tiny pieces with a butter knife? It hurts bad. But you know what? Playing with a puppet can be a lifelong experience, man. Once you play with one puppet, you want to play with them all. You can't put the puppet down. I'll tell you, buddy, hey, you can't put the puppet down. And the puppet is a source of good protection. And so is the fro. That's right, the fro and the puppet. It's the safest thing ever. The fro and the puppet, the puppet and the fro. The fro and the puppet and the fro. The fro and the puppet and the knife. Back to the knife. I'll kill you with this knife. This knife will kill you. It'll kill you. You know, I can kill you. Hey! Shit! Close range. Meow!
Where'd that picture go? Hello and way over there. Look at that.
Back to the fro and the puppet. The fro and the puppet is available. Ah!
Oh, jeez.
Death